Legos are for more than just building things. They're also perfect for taking a break from work and having fun with friends. Many people don't know that Legos are actually a brilliant stress reliever because they can help to relieve all of the internal pressure, anger, and frustration. A Lego set is an inexpensive way to keep your focus on something other than work, which is perfect for forgetting about your duties. I hope you enjoy this list of 20 ingenious Lego hacks to creatively reuse Lego bricks. Number 20. Lego Math Tutorial. You may not think of math as fun, but Lego can make it entertaining for children. To make a Lego math tutorial, start with a large flat Lego or Lego mat. You will also need other square and rectangular Legos of varying sizes. Each one corresponds with the number of round cylinders shown on the top. For example, a Lego with 2 cylinders represents the number 2. Place a small piece of paper with a plus or minus after it. And you can use this piece to spell out an equation like 2 + 2 = 4. This helps kids learn while playing with a favorite toy. Number 19. Lego Cuff Links. If your friends think you have no fashion sense, tell them to think again. They'll believe you after they see you rocking these cool Lego cuff links. Just attach small Lego pieces to existing cuff links with glue. You may even be able to get Lego character on there, but small flat square pieces are more common. Now you can tell your friends you're linked into the fashion scene. Lego fashion, that is. Number 18. Lego Coasters. If you're tired of leaving condensation rings on your non-Lego furniture, Lego coasters are for you. Simply snap together some flat Legos into a square or rectangular shape. Make sure they're all a uniform size and shape. You can create patterns from different colors or go for a more abstract look. To store your coasters, make a storage block starting with a row of flat Lego pieces. Snap together. Then build as many rows out of bricks as you need. Number 17. Lego USB Drive. Lego pieces can also be used to decorate a plain-looking USB drive. Simply find 2 rectangular Lego bricks, which are roughly USB drive sized, and in any color you like. The 2 sides can match or be contrasting colors. Take one and hollow it out by cutting away the round cylinders that let it snap into other Lego pieces. Place the USB drive inside, leaving the end sticking out enough that you could still plug it into a computer or other device. Then cover it with hot glue and stick the other Lego on top. You now have a Lego USB drive that could be easily attached to a Lego stand or construction or hidden in a bag of Legos, if that USB contains covered information. Number 16. Lego Computer Case. Now that you have a Lego USB drive, you want to plug it into your Lego computer, right? You could do that with a Lego computer tower case. Simply cover your case with Legos in any color or pattern you like. Make sure to leave openings so you can access any ports, so you can plug in your Lego jump drive, of course, and also buttons and drag openings. Just don't get too cute and spell out your password and Legos as a memory aid. Number 15. Lego Phone Stand. There are many creative ways to build a phone stand out of Legos. The only rules are to make sure it holds your phone securely and leaves an opening for the charging cable. Then your phone can be charging in the middle of a battle station, a castle, or anything else you dream up. Make sure you have enough room to detach the cable easily, so you don't have to say, "Lego my phone." Number 14. Lego Knife Stand. If you need a place to store your knives, but don't want the same boring knife block in everyone else's kitchen, you might want to try a Lego knife stand. The base consists of several rows of horizontal blocks, tilted against each other at an angle. This supports several rectangles that hold the knives. Make sure you leave just enough room to hold each blade securely in each block. You can even add a little Lego Ninja figure and pretend he is guarding your sword collection. Number 13. Lego Frame or Mirror. With a little glue and some leftover Legos, you could turn any plain picture frame or mirror into an awesome Lego creation. Cover the frame edge with glue and stick on as many or as few Legos as you want. Since you're using glue, the Legos don't have to stick together, but they can't either make tiny structures out of Legos and glue them on, or go for a more abstract look. Then you can ask, "Mirror, mirror, who's the biggest Lego fan of them all?" Number 12. Helping a disabled pet get around. A German turtle named Blade was taken to the vet because he had trouble walking. Since there are no companies making prosthetic legs for turtles, the vet suggested attaching Lego wheels to the turtle's underside to help him get around. So much for turtles being slow. Those wheels definitely get him up to speed. Blade is expected to recover and no longer needs the wheels, but we hope he challenges a hair to erase before that happens. Number 11. Interior Design. Because they come in a variety of colors, Legos can be used to add fun accents to any room. They're especially handy if you have a kitchen island you want to spice up. You can cover the whole island or just one side of it with Legos in any pattern and colored combination you want. Then you can look at Legos while you eat your egg in the morning. Number 10. Lego lampshade. If Legos light up your life, you'll love this Lego lampshade. Start with a square Lego building mat and create each side however you want. Just be sure to leave spaces for some light to escape. A lot of spaces will give you more light, while fewer spaces will work in rooms where low light is fine. You can make several large openings or a lot of smaller ones. When you're done, cut a hole in the bottom to fit the lamp. Now there's a bright idea. Number 9. Lego Pet House. Now that you've tricked out your own home with Legos, how about doing something for your pet? Small rodents like hamsters and guinea pigs will love a Lego house to plan, but make sure none of the small pieces can come loose and accidentally be ingested by your furry friend. If you have space in your pet's cage, you could build a bigger home with lots of rooms and tunnels for it to explore. Lego castles and other structures are also fun additions to aquariums. If you have a large collection of Legos, you could even build a life-size Lego doghouse for Fido. Number 8. Lego Gift Box. Legos make great gift and storage boxes too. You could build a large gift box with the bowl-shaped structure on top of the lid. More Legos make a great gift to put in this box too, or build a box to store anything you want, including even more Legos. Don't get too boxed in with one idea either. Lego boxes stack easily and could be attached in open queues to provide open storage shelves. Number 7. Lego Cell Phone Case. To make a creative cell phone case out of Legos, you will need a Lego board, a cell phone case that fits your phone, a knife, a ruler, some E600 glue, and a marker. Take the board and place it on top of the case. Mark off where you want to cut, leaving enough of the board to cover the phone with an opening for the back camera. Use the ruler to make sure you cut in a straight line, and use sandpaper to smoothen out the plastic board when you're done. After you glued the board to the phone and let it dry, decorate it with any Legos you want and call it a win. Number 6. Lego Time Management System. Feel like you spent too much time building things out of Legos? You may need a new time management system, and you can actually make one out of Legos, of course. One of the most ingenious versions was created by a design studio called Vitamins in 2012, called the Bit Planner. It's made up of blocks that each represent half a day of work allocated to its specific task. The great thing is, it can easily be synced with software. All you have to do is take a picture, and it updates your online calendar. To make your own, just divide a Lego mat into 7 sections for the days of the week. Use different colored bricks for each person in your home or office. The suggestion is for each brick to represent half a day, but you can make them hours if you want to be more specific. Your primitive calendar won't be able to sync with software, but if everything goes to plan, the Bit Planner team are hoping to release their software so that you can in the future. Number 5. Lego Birdhouse. Constructing a birdhouse for real or plastic birds is easy to do with Legos. Start by making a base out of small flat Legos. Then use more bricks to build the walls and ceiling. Be sure to leave a doorway birds can fit in if you hope to attract real birds. And leave a space for bird seed. Extend a row of bricks out to the sides or inside the house to make a perch. You can make the house 1 story or 2. And if you want to add figures, a Lego bird, or other decorations to the outside, just wing it. Number 4. Lego Charger Cable Holder. If charging cables are getting in the way of your Lego creations, you can build a Lego cable management system. All you need are some little Lego figures that have holder hands. Glue or stick these to the back of your desk with mounting tape. Then rub your cables up the back of the desk, and through the hand holes, they can hold all your charger cables, keeping them out of the way of your latest Lego creation. Number 3. Lego Flowers. Real flowers die after a few days, but Lego flowers are forever. Start by making a rectangular vase out of bricks. Then use more pieces to shape the stems and buds. You can also use the bricks to make a round pot for a potted plant or real flowers. The graded edges let everyone know your planter is Lego-tastic, even if the plant itself is in plastic. Number 2. Lego Key Rack. If you struggle with misplace your keys, this handy Lego key rack is for you. Take a flat Lego piece and use a knife, drill, or soldering iron to punch a small hole through it. Then slide it onto your carrying. Then take a large flat Lego or Lego mat and attach it to your wall. You can use double-sided tape, matting strips, or screws. Whenever you come home, stick your Lego carrying right onto the key rack. No more searching for your keys. Number 1. Real-life wall repair. Turns out, even if your crumbling walls aren't made of plastic, you could still use Legos to fix them. At least until your landlord finally sends someone to actually deal with the wall. Just sand down the bottom of the hole so you have a flat place to start building. Then go from the bottom up. filling in the hole horizontally as needed as this frustrated person did to shore up a crumbling wall. And if you have a lot of Legos and a ton of time on your hands, hey, you might want to just go ahead and make a whole new building out of Legos. Well, maybe not. What's the most creative thing you've seen or made out of Legos? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to CRAIN. Click that bell icon and never miss another video. Also, if you'd like to hear more of me, please take part in this poll. Thanks for watching.